Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to play another Seben bass line in the key of G. As I said, this bass line is in the key of G and the progression is 1-5-4-5. So that is G, D, C, D. 1-5-4-5-1. So the bass line is so I'm playing 1, so the octave, so 2-5-5, 2-5-5, 1-5-4-6, 1-7. So 1-1-2-5-5, 1-5-4-6, 1-7. So remember that as I'm playing, I am muting the E string as well. And when I play the notes in the G string, so I mute the first time I play. What I mean by that is I add some ghost notes. So I do this. So I simply rest my hand on the on the string and play the first note like that and then press the second one. So I do that before I play this. Or so 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 simply so the second time I play 1-4-4-4-4-6, 6, sorry, 1-7. So 1-4-4-4-4-6, 1-7. So there are different ways that you can play this bass line. It doesn't all have to be the same. So every single time you go to the 1, you can change it. You can change your root to the 5, to the 4, sorry. So I might go like this. Some might play. So I keep changing. So remember what I said in my previous videos, it's very important that you know the chord tones. So you know the major scale. If you know the major scale, then your root to the 4 can change every single time. What I mean by root to the 4 is sometimes I can play 1, 5, 7, then 4, 5, 7. Sometimes I can play 1, 7, 5, then 4, 7, 5. Why can I play that? Because I know that this is the arpeggio for the 5, so for the D major. So I know that if I hit any of these notes that form the D major arpeggio, I'll be good. And same thing with the 4. This is the C major arpeggio, the 4. So I know if I hit any of these notes, I'll be good. And the next part will be, so you play. So we'll play. sorry, do play this, then 1, 5, 3. So the octave of the 3. So this is the B, 4 octave, 1, 7, then do again. So when I go back to the 1, I can go back to the 1 in multiple ways. So I can do this. So that is simply 5, 5, 1, 1, 1, 5, 5, 5, 1, 1, 1. Or I can do. So use your thumb, 1, or so 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1, 7. Then the next time I can do. So what did I do there? So I played the 3, 4. So I slid to the 4, then 6. Why do I play the 6? Because it's still part of the arpeggio, remember? The C major arpeggio. So the 6 in this case is the 3rd of the C major, which is the E. So there are different ways you can go back to the 1, different ways you can play the 4. So you can experiment different ways. You don't have to play exactly what I played. And just learn the major scales, learn the arpeggios, and it will allow you to spice up your playing, to go to the 1 in different ways, and to explore more bass lines. So I can play, for example. You see, instead of me playing, I played, and instead of me going to the 3, I can play. So 1, 1, 5, 3, 3, 4. So I'm going to the 1 in different ways. Before I played, and I also play. So that was it, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more videos, and let me know your suggestions below. Thank you so much.